All right, getting new tires and wheels put on today. Here is before shot stock 2020 Wrangler JL. It's got the stock 17 by 7.5 inch wheels on 245 tires. You can see that they do not stick out past the fender well at all. All right, here is the final product. So we went with Procomp 69 series wheels, 17 by 9s. And those are Toyo Open Country AT3 285s. And I think it looks pretty cool. Biggest difference here is how much they set out from before. So that is almost exactly 2 inches from stock, which looks really good. So that's it.